everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Varisha Bhass. If you are addicted to your phone, social media, Netflix, or even mindless scrolling, then you are not lazy in doing your work. Your mind is just overstimulated. And the real villain here is it's the dopamine. In this video, we are going to discover how to reset your brain, take back your focus, and become the best version of yourself. Now let's move on and know what is this dopamine. Dopamine actually is a chemical of your brain that controls motivation, pleasure, reward. Every time you get a like on your Instagram post, eat a sweet, your dopamine spike. It makes you feel good. But here's a catch. If you flood your brain with so much of dopamine from these artificial sources, then your ability to feel pleasure from everyday tasks drops, works, and that's why work feel boring to you. Your brain get addicted to high level of dopamine and start chasing for cheap instant gratification over meaningful progress. Now let's move on to the other side of the video. What is this dopamine detox? It's like a reset button for your brain. It's not about eliminating dopamine, which is quite impossible, but it's about resetting your brain and again so that your brain can once again start appreciating to low dopamine activities. So when you detox, you are training your brain to be more focused, less impulsive, more productive, and way more productive. Let me also tell you that this video is not only about informations but for your transformation. So here are 5 phases of reclaiming your brain that will help you to go from distracted and drained to focused and free. So the phase 1 is about the realization that it's not me, it's my brain. Finally see it that you are not lazy. It's your brain. You are chemically hijacked, which is pushing you towards short-term pleasure away from the fulfillments. Which means you are not addicted to the activity but to the dopamine hits which it brings. Moving to phase 2, the audit. So know your triggers. Know the reasons. What are your personal poisons? Social media, Netflix, snacking, or whatever it may be. Until you see your triggers clearly, you can't take the control. So the truth is, awareness is your first weapon. Phase 3, the reset. Balance the scale. The more dopamine you consume, the more numb your brain becomes. Rebalancing means sitting in boredom without reaching for the fix. Which means that in order to feel more, you first have to feel less. So now let's talk about phase 4, the design. Structure your environment. Do not just simply rely on your willpower. Create friction between your bad habits and you. Choices easier to make, which means that your environment shapes your behavior. So design it wisely. Now let's talk about the 5th and the last phase, the rebuild. Start replacing empty pleasures with meaningful satisfaction. Start working for building a life that feeds your soul, not just only your senses. Truth here is true joy comes from purpose, not just pleasure. Now let's have a quick recap of the 5 phases. Number 1, release the hijack. Number 2, audit the triggers. Number 3, reset your brain. Number 4, design the system. And number 5, rebuild the reward. Now coming to the most important question that must be popping in your mind, how to do the dopamine detox. So here's a simple plan that you can follow today. Pick a time frame, start with 24-hour detox. Eliminate high dopamine activities, no social media, no Netflix, no junk food, no internet, sit in silence, go for a walk, start journaling your thoughts, and let your brain reset. Start creating limits for yourself, like 30 minutes of social media per day or no phones after 9 p.m. These are some points that you can follow to detox your brain. So now let us know what is the benefit of detoxing. Now moving to the last part of the video and know what are the benefits of dopamine detox. So when you sit with dopamine practices regularly, you will start to notice increase in your productivity, better self-control and discipline, deeper enjoyment even in simple things, less anxiety and more clarity. Start craving purpose over pleasure. And finally, in the world full of instant gratification and pleasure, your ability to focus is your superpower. This dopamine detox isn't about punishment, but about freedom. Now it's the time to unplug, reset, and rediscover what really matters. Your best self is on the other side of your discomfort. Like this video if you are ready to take your control and subscribe to my channel.